In this art DIY I'm going to decorate these boxes. I recycle the packaging in which these water bottles came in. I thought that they were just really cool as a box for example, brushes or pencils. So yeah, I thought that these were fun to recycle. Go! Hey, Marieke Blokland here from bloknote.nl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I really like them because of the craft paper. I don't really like the top of the boxes, and of course I need to get rid of all the stickers. I'm going to draw one-liner dolls on these boxes. A one-liner is a drawing consisting of one line, and I love to draw these one-liner faces that are so popular at the moment, in which you use only one line. So you draw something without lifting your brush or pen from the paper. I have to cheat a little bit. This is a brush that has an ink cartridge in it, so naturally it will load ink on the brush while drawing, but because I'm going to use this acrylic ink, and I always use this acrylic ink by Amsterdam, for I love the matte finish that it has, but I have to cheat a little bit because I will have to load the brush with ink every once in a while. So if I am going to draw these dolls, at one point there will not be enough ink on the brush. You already see it here. The brush obviously is getting too dry. I do love this type of texture in a line, so I don't always load the brush with new ink, but at certain points, like for example here, I am going to cheat a little bit and reload some ink on the brush. And voila. You don't have to add every detail as you draw these one-liners. For example, I will add some irises to the eyes later, and of course I allow myself to, for example, add little details like cheeks, or just fun little doodly elements, but it's just a way of quickly drawing something quirky. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You rock! Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao!